Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you might happen to be. I'm standing here. My name is Michael Faass. I'm the Director of Sales for faytech. I'm standing here with our CTO and founding partner, Arne Weber. It's been months since we've done a video, it seems. It's been far too long. Hopefully we haven't gone stale on the internet with our old material. So we're back today. We're going to be looking to introduce our IP65 and IP69K series. With normal standard connectors and M12 connectors, high brightness, 1000 nits, high heat, high durability, 24/7 operation. And Arne, please take us through what we have here. What are we looking at?
Thanks, Michael, for the introduction. So yeah, it took us a while. The last points were on doing a feather stripe finish to have this a nice finish. And what you said, we have an IP65, and again, we follow our front back kit idea. So you can see it on the web. We do it for our standard products always already, that you basically can choose any front to any back. And we do this again. This is our first one. It's a 10.1. We will have later the year 12.1, 15, 15.6 as a front kit. And the front kit always survives. The front kit is basically until here always survives IP69K. We can later say a little bit more detail what it is. And the back kit we have, following our standard models, basically also a monitor back kit, an ARM embedded back kit, and a PC back kit. And there we have two variations to make it complete complex. We have what you said, right, an IP65 one, and this is a fantastic solution. I just opened it, so we have for sure a really nice, well done rubber. And that's it. You have here on the ARM and the PC, it's different. The standard connectors, like you can access your network, power, you can offer even an HDMI out. And you go through your rubber sealing, right? Which makes secure you can use, and that's really fantastic. Standard cables, right? But they are closed by IP65 through the pressure.
Right. And come out through our gummy caps, as I've learned today from our marketing department, that these are what they're called. Gummy caps, apparently.
When this is the right marketing word, then let's...
Apparently so. I know that personally, I'm a fan of gummy bears, as anyone who can see from my shape. Haribo, that's the best brand in Germany, if I'm not mistaken. We also have some...
I will bring you next time.
Oh, thanks. My kids love you. We also have some rubber sealing here, correct? Yeah. And I think what we should do here at this point, though, is kind of define IP65 versus IP69K. What are the differences? Because there are some differences.
Yeah. So IP65 is basically, I would say, enough for any outdoor use, right? So this is a typical specification. When you want to make secure, you can put it outdoor and rain and nothing goes in.
And faytech standard, when we design a product, is IP65 to begin with.
At least the front, yeah.
Yes,
on the back not. And IP69K is, let's say, next level. This is used especially, for example, in food industries. And that's then also the difference. You see it here. We have so-called M12 connectors. Mm-hmm. And this is a big difference between the models. IP65 standard cables, so very easy for you to adapt and change whatever you want. IP69K, we go with so-called M12 connectors. So M12 is a standard spec.
Yeah.
And but this means either you have your own M12 cables and you just connect it. We provide you the other side connectors, or we provide you standard cables. This is what you choose from. And then again, you survive a hot, very strong water stream. And this is, for example, in food industry, when they clean all the food residuals away.
They just hose everything down and everything's fine.
Right. And
we've also had some buses that actually want to be IP65 and IP69K as well.
Right.
I don't want to know what's happened on those buses. But anyways.
That is a nice story for another time. But exactly. And so this makes it really the perfect solution when you are in or like microbia, like in special production areas where again you need a hot stream to clean it away. And for sure, this is you know other videos we make secure that even with a strong water stream there are no ghost images. This is then the 2 fingers optimized water solution we can provide as firmware. Standard is for sure 10 fingers multi-touch, very sensitive. But I'm really proud. I always don't understand why iPhone still cannot tune their phones well on water droplets. I can promise you our models, when we set up the water models, are significant.
So that's one thing I've learned since I've come to faytech is one of our specialities, or one of the things that sets us apart from our competitors and in the industry, I find, is our ability to fine tune touch, whether it's for gloves. So all of our products are designed standard for glove use. However, we do a lot of customization. I was in Germany a month and a half ago with a customer who was having a touch issue due to some EMI, whatever. And I was on site with them, and we did a live call with our team back here in China. And within about 20 minutes, we tuned the solution into their unit. And now we're going to mass production with their orders. So that's a real key thing to know about faytech is our touchability. So whether it's multi-touch, 10 touch, I think our whiteboard is 440 touch. As well as rain, water. We can change it so that when there's condensation or water on your screen, that the touch will be reduced to 2-point touch or 1-point touch. We did that for some motorcycle project a little while ago. So just to show you the kind of flexibility and versatility that you get into, not just industrial, but all across the spectrum of products that we provide.
We just convinced for a military project the partner to change from resistive to capacitive, because he gave us the thick military gloves, and also they were easy for us to tune. And so even in tanks, they have now the faytech touch feeling.
There you go. We're tough as a tank.
Exactly. Yes. Where ruggedized needs to be the standard, you can count on us.
Yes, pants are tough. So, all right. Do we have any other features that you want to talk about before we wrap up?
Just shortly, for example, this is our picture quality. Because of optical bonding, it's always better than the competition normally. But just that you get a feeling. I mean, now it looks all like a nice picture, but this is really the difference. This is a standard 350 nits brightness, and this is 1000 nits brightness. And I think this says all. When you want a really nice product, really nice picture.
It's another customization feature, though, because if we were doing in some internal situations, installations, people don't want to have 1000 nits, but to be able to adjust it to 1000 nits is no problem. I mean, we even have units that we're now doing that are even high brightness, 2000 to 2500 nits as well for customized projects. So
on the other side, on ships, for example, where we have also products, they want a very low brightness in the night, and we do even 5 nits brightness, 2 nits, and we can even adjust this to offer from basically 0 to really 1500 nits. And you see, we connected this here by HDMI and power. So this one is a monitor, right? So the standard is HDMI cable. You can choose also, like I said, IP65 M12. The ARM with our M-Logic series, where our strength is really that we do the software under Linux. The whole source code is by us FOSS compatible. Android, we support 9, 11. And on the PC part, for sure, it's our Alcard Lake series, as standard a dual-core X6211 with 1428 GB SSD. And for sure, what you said, not just 24/7, but also extended temperature range, that it survives wherever you want to put it.
Okay, so I think we finished off the technical introduction. I have a gift here for you, Arne. I want you to see, I don't know if we're going to be able to get a close-up on that, probably not. So I'll try and give it in to you guys. This is a chip from the Aria for $5, so that when you go to Vegas, because I like to announce here at the end of our video here that we finalized preparations for our booth in Vegas at the CES this year. We'll be in the North Hall. I believe our booth number is 8340, but I'll confirm that. We'll post it below. So we welcome everybody. Please come. I'll be taking my wife. It's our 10th anniversary. We got married in Vegas, so we're going to be doing the town up.
I hope you find time to work then. Huh?
Oh, no.
How old is she on the booth?
No. When she's in Vegas, she's working the tables. Yes, that's why I got the chip. So please click like, subscribe, send us your comments, your feedback, and hopefully we'll see you in Vegas. And thanks a lot. Cheers.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.